Your love has laid a beautiful song in my heart, which I hum in my heart with joy and happiness. Each and every day you come into my life and made me whole, and without you, I am incomplete. You are needed, a blessing, and my ultimate desire is to always respect, protect, and love till the end of time. I love you beyond the stars. Sweetheart, I want you to know that I will have my entire life giving thanks to God for blessing me with someone as beautiful, crying, darling, and loving as you are. I just want to believe that you are meant for me just as I am for you alone. I feel honored to have you in my heart and word, and I look forward to a better and beautiful tomorrow with you in my life. I love you so much more than you would ever imagine, my love. Baby, you are know that I know I do not have to mind. You are of how fascinating and beautiful your eyes are. Whenever I look into your eyes, I could see how peaceful and beautiful our future together would be. I just take any my eyes off your your beautiful smiling face. You look gorgeous when you wear a smile. Any our face as your lovely eyes brighten up my world. I love you so much. Beautiful. I must be one okay man in this planet Earth to have you in my life. Thank you for watching video. Your love is like a beautiful melody that plays in my heart, creating a symphony of peace and joy. Each note of your love deeply within me, making every moment we share together a harmonious blend of happiness and contentment. I am so grateful for the music of your love, which completes me in way I never imagined possible. You have always been my biggest supporter and fan. You have always had my back, and in your eyes I can do nothing wrong, which has bullied my confidence throughout of my life. Thank you, darling, for loving me inconsistently and forever. You have made me the man I am today, and I will always love with you all my heart. My life has been a whirlwind since I am meet you. All of a sudden, I am going out and spending time with people, all just to be close to you in the midst of all this. There, there's something I have been longing to tell you. Perhaps I have now it for a long time. The whispers of the heart. But now I am finally listening. I adore you. It's beautiful and terrifying at the same time. I am hopelessly, entirely swept up in everything I feel for you. I cannot help but smile when I think about you. Your daughter, your kindness, the way your eyes light up when you talk about things you love. All of it has woven itself into my heart, and the everyone's pumping my lifeblood. The more time I spend with you, the stronger is this feeling grows. It's not just a fleeting crush, it's something deeper. I am feeling for you, and I am okay with big hey. Love here's your daily reminder that you light up my world when it the gloomiest times. Remember storms and do not last forever, and I am always here for you, spending all my hugs and strength. You have got this, and I have got you. Thank you for watching video. Thanks to you, I smile a little more, laugh a little harder, and cry a little less. I am so lucky to have you in my life. I cannot know where I would be without your love. The most wonderful woman I know. Thanking you for constantly bringing out the best in me. I am beyond lucky to have fallen in love with my best friend. I love you, darling. There is nothing I want more than to make you the happiest woman in the world. Your beauty, intelligence, and kindness make me fall in love with you more and more every day. Good evening to the queen of my heart. I won't be able to stop thinking about you until I finally get to see you again each day. With you is a wonderful addition to my life's journey. I cannot wait for forever together. You are the perfect woman for me, my everything. I love you, and no other woman in the world can hold a candle to your beauty, calm and grace, counting down every moment until you back in my arms. See you soon, my love. I cannot tell you what a thrilling it is to fall asleep next to such a strong, stunning, and intelligent woman. It only took on one me for me to how we belong together. I am so happy you are mine, sweetheart. The more years go by, the more I learn new things to love. About you are the most amazing woman to me. You care, support, and love has transformed of my life. Thank you for being you. Being with you is the exact choice I have ever made, and I am so lucky I get to make it every day. My kind knight in shining armor, thank you for always have my back. I promise to always return the forever. Your voice is my favorite sound, and your smile is my favorite sign. I love you so much. To the every special woman who puts up with everything and still manage to make me laugh. Thank you for being you. If life is a game, then you are the only stated are the most amazing woman I have ever known, and I cannot believe that I am the one who got you. Missing your beautiful face already and counting down the minutes until we are until we are together again. I appreciate you and the fact that you kill all the bugs in your house so I do not have to love you. Thank make I feel like the most special man on earth. I am so lucky. Baby, are the woman of my dreams. My whole world feels bigger and more beautiful because you are in it. There is no one as kind, smart, witty, and beautiful as you. I am incredibly grateful to call you mine. You make me feel so alive. A million thanks to the most amazing woman, men I know.